Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Discord and navigate to the server where you want Priority Speaker enabled. Click the server name at the top, then choose Server Settings from the menu. Select Roles to assign a role that will use Priority Speaker later. Now open a voice channel and click the gear icon to access channel settings. Choose Permissions and add the role or user you want to give Priority Speaker. Toggle the Priority Speaker permission to allow for that role or user to enable highlighting. Join the voice channel after you or an admin assigns Priority Speaker to a role. When a Priority Speaker talks, Discord will reduce other participants' volumes automatically. This change makes the priority voice more audible for listeners in the channel. Users without Priority Speaker will still hear others, but at a lower volume while the priority person speaks. Multiple people with permission can speak, but the feature aims to let one voice stand out during important announcements. If Priority Speaker does not work, verify the role hierarchy and permission inheritance in server settings. Confirm the role with Priority Speaker sits above conflicting roles in the list. Ask the user to restart Discord and update to the latest client version for best results. Test the feature using 2 accounts or ask another member to join the channel for live verification. Adjust voice and video settings and channel permissions until the priority audio behavior matches your expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.